So if you want to get rid of this ad and you want to use your own custom domain, we need to upgrade to a paid plan. So to do that, we go back to the website editor, which we have still open in the other tab here. We're going to close this window, then go back to the editor. And here, let's go to the top and click on Connect Your Domain. And this will take us to the dashboard where we can choose our domain name. So right here, it has already recommended a specific domain to me. You can also change that and look for a different one, but this looks pretty good to me. So I'm just going to click on Get It right here. Then we have to choose this option because only this will allow us to connect our domain to our website. So let's click on Continue. Here, I'm just going to go with the cheapest plan, which is $11 per month. Here, I'm going to choose the yearly option. And here, just enter your payment details and click on Continue. Once the payment is complete, we get to this page where it says that we can now connect our domain. So let's click on Get It. And here, I'm just going to go for 1 year because this is just for this tutorial, and click on Continue. And again, we have to enter our information and click on Continue. Here, I actually recommend to go with the private registration because otherwise, when people are looking for your domain, they will be able to find your name and address. So I'm going to choose this option here and click on Continue. And again, Submit Purchase. And now our custom domain should be connected to our website. So let's check by opening up a new tab and then typing in your domain. And there we go. Now our new website is connected to our custom domain.